Okay, welcome to this session. In this series, in this session, we started on question number 18. In the previous session, we ended on question number 17. Okay, cool. Question 18 says if 133 base x is equal to 73 base 10, you should find x. So we just need to convert this to base 10 and then we equate it to this. Okay, so how do we do that? Let's label our number 0, 1, 2. Okay, cool. And then we convert it to base 10. How do we do that? Very simple. 1 times x power 2 plus 3 times x power 1 plus 3 times x power 0. Okay, here we have x squared plus 3x plus 3. Then we equate that to what? Our 73 right here. Okay, 73. So if we rewrite this, we have x squared plus 3x minus what? 70 equals 0. So this is a quadratic. Okay, so what we need to find is two numbers such that when we multiply them, we get negative 70. When we add them, we have what? Positive 3. Can you find those two numbers? Yes, those two numbers are positive 10 and negative 7. Okay, cool. So let's write that. So we're going to have x squared minus 7x plus 10x minus 70 equals 0. We factor out. Let's put this in brackets so we can factor out. Here we can factor x out. Then we have x minus 7. And here we can factor what? 10 out. Okay, then we have x minus 7 equal 0. So as you can see over here, x minus 7 is common, x minus 7 is common, so we can factor that out. Okay, so we have x minus 7, then in the bracket we have x what? Plus 10 equals 0. So our solution set will be what? X is equal to positive 7 and x is equal to negative 10. But our base cannot be negative, right? Our base right here, which is x, cannot be negative. So that means this answer cannot be accepted. Okay, that means this answer cannot be accepted. The only correct answer is this, x equals 7. So our x equals what? 7, which is B. Okay, cool. Let's move on to question number 19. Question number 19 says simplify this multiplication. 203 base 5 times 42 or 42 base 5. Okay, so giving your answer in what? Base 10. So one of the easiest ways to do this is to first convert these two to base 10, then you multiply their result. Okay, so let's do that. How do we convert this to base 10? We first what? Number the digits 1, 2, 0, 1. Then we convert it to base 10. So 2 times 5 squared plus 0 times 5 exponent 1 plus 3 times 5 exponent 0. That will give us what? 25 times 2, which is 50. We have 50 plus 0 plus 3, which is 53. Okay, now we do the same thing for 42 base 5. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that. 42 base 5. So that will give us 4 times 5 exponent 1 plus 2 times 5 exponent 0. That will give us 20 plus 2, which is equal to 22. So this is in base 10. Let me write it this way so you can see. This is in base 10 and this is also in base 10. So now we can multiply. Okay, our answer will be 52 times 22, which will give us 1166 base 10. And that is our answer, which is what? C. Okay, cool. Let's move on to question number 20. It says, what is the sum of the following numbers in base 8? They are all in base 8, so we just need to add all these numbers in base 8. Okay, so we have 2, 5, 6, 3, 4, 2, 4, 2, 1. We are adding them all in base 8. Okay, so we have 6 plus 2 plus 1. That will give us what? 9. 9 in base 8 is what? 9 in base 8 is equal to 1 remainder 1, which is 11. Okay, so this 1 will come here. Okay, so we write that, which is, so write 1 here. Then remember what? This 1 right here. Okay, so we say that 1 will come here, carry 1. Okay, so 1 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2 will give us what? 12. Okay, 12 in base 8 will give us 1 carry what? 4. So that 4 will come here. That 4 will come here. Okay, so we have 4. Remember what? 1. We bring the 1 right here. The 1 will be transferred to the next side. Okay, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that will give us 10. Okay, 10 in base 8 will give us 1 carry 2. So we write that right here. So this is our answer. 1241 base 8. This is our answer. So we circle that, which is D. Okay, cool. Let's move on to question number 21. It says, evaluate the multiplication of these two. Okay, they are all in base 2, so we just need to multiply. So let's do that. We have 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 1, all in base 2, and they are multiplying. So let's go. We start from the right. Okay, start from here, then we move here, then we move here, move here. Okay, cool. So what do we have? For the first one, we have 1 0 1 1. Then we do the same thing for here. We have what? 0 0 0 0. Then we have this one. Will give us what? 1 1 0 1. And finally, we have this one here. That will give us what? 1 1 0 1. So now we add. Okay, so this one will come here. This one. Similarly, this also come here. 1 plus 0 will give us 1. And here also 0 plus 0 plus 1 will give us what? 1. Okay, and then here we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 is what? 3. In base 2 will give us what? 1 carry 1. Okay, that will give us, so we bring this 1 here, and then the 1 will transfer to the next part. Okay, cool. So write 1, then a transferred 1 from this side, 1. Okay, cool. This 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 will give us what? 2. Okay, 2 in base 2 will give us 1 carry 0. Okay, so this 0 will come here. So let's write that, and then this 1 will transfer to the next side. Okay, so we have 0, and then the 1 will transfer here. Okay, 1. So this 1 plus 1 also give us 2. 2 in base 2 is what? 1 remainder 0. Okay, so we write that 0 right here, and then the 1 transferred here. Okay, cool. Okay, finally, this 1 plus 1 will give us what? Also 2 again. 2 in base 2 will give us what? 1 remainder 0. So finally, our answer will be what? Write our final answer here, 1 0. Okay, so this is our answer, 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1, which is what? D. Okay, cool. Thank you so much for watching this section. Sorry, in this session. In the next session, move on to question number 22. See you again next time. Bye.